last January when we were selling our house, I was really upset. And I knew why I was doing it, but it was still an emotional process. And here we are, 7 months later, standing on 80 acres of very beautiful property. And I can't tell you how much in awe I am of what God can do when you just put your faith in Him and trust. This is a beautiful piece of property, and I can't wait to see what we do with it. Just want to take a second to encourage anybody who might be thinking, I want that, but where would I even start? You just start getting out of debt. That's the first place. This never would have been possible if we didn't sell what we had, paid off our credit card debt. Find your community, yoke up with them, and plant your roots.